Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to say hello and happy Monday. I'm going this morning, going with my son just to kind of enjoy a good breakfast and hang out a little bit before I get some dental work done. But time spent with people that you love gives a good bond and a good relationship. The Lord wants time spent with us too. Sometimes we don't spend enough time with the Lord because we get too involved in the things that we're doing, maybe work, school, whatever it is. We're all busy. But I just want to encourage today, take a minute and spend a little time with God. Spend a little time with those you love, but spend some time with the Lord and just real quality time, just being honest and open with him, just like you would anybody else that you love. And the word says that don't stop praying, and praying means that you're spending time with God. You're just opening up and communicating with him in the way that you know how. And he honors that. He honors you just being honest with him and communicating with him, and give him worship, give him honor, give him praise, because he's God and that's what he deserves. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching Wisdom and Word. And for more encouraging words, like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Bye-bye.